we sad?
Because I crashed.
He crashed? He crashed a race car?
Yeah!
Again?
Yeah!
On the way to Carlisle for GM Nationals. Cruising.
What ticket buy?
Okay, unhold it.
So we had a 4-hour drive down to Carlisle, and the National Weather Service had a heat advisory with a heat index over 100 for the whole weekend.
Last year.
I like this two-tone.
Yeah, I promise.
I want to be Beretta.
And GOK.
I did see.
All right, Eric, in your Beretta, go ahead, make your pass. All right, what'd you guys think about Eric's run? Little golf clap action going there?
Too quiet.
You too? Okay. He's ready over there, I think. So, Chris, make your pass.
First whiff of nitromethane for the Stroh family. I always like the Autocross shootout on Friday night. I skipped it this year and just watched.
And the time for night, 36.7.
When he goes
And by the way,
around
Chris,
those
if you're looking for
turns,
something to do tonight, we
I
can go.
can't
Open wheels quick on the way
when he goes around.
Start time to a little bit later due to the warm weather today. So if you're looking for something to do, let's go. 7.8.
All right, Jay's doing the Autocross. We're gonna get some videos.
Here we go.
You got the family.
Oh, you got the helmet?
Yeah, I'm gonna need that anyway. This is Jay's first time Autocross and ever. That's better. 49.3 last one, right? $49.4.
Cheesy.
Double popsicles over here.
Sure. Oh my God, I didn't know.
Waverly, watch out.
Good.
Yeah, the Buick Century is vulnerable SSE. But he didn't like it.
I get about there. You know what? What if I should do one at a time?
That was one of the first
Yeah, you should do one tire.
Probably one at a time
93. Yeah.
is better in this situation.
I had a customer that had
Whack it, did I? Oh, I hit you.
a shot V6 and
Hoping I didn't whack it.
it was like complaining about the slaughter on the
So, pull the ring, stick it on, push the ring back forward. You want to do it?
turned around years ago.
Close. I'm sweating on you. There you go, you got it.
They got 5 degrees behind us.
Gonna do one more, then I'll do the last one. Okay? There you go. All right, I'll get the last one. Jay's day job's a mechanic, so both of his kids want to come help out. Got some slave labor. Okay, we're good. We're off.
Support or whatever.
Nice work. Give me a high five. Yeah. Tighten them right up.
What do you mean fix it up?
Like, change it somehow.
How?
Both the older kids did the UMI ride-alongs. First time they've been in something really throwing them sideways hard. I don't even know if Jack could see outside the car, but he had a blast. So, did you like it?
You got it! Do it, do it, do it!
Okay, so I did make the finals, but it's too damn hot, and I'm too late.
Your dad's going first, your dad's going first. Oh my God! I know what am I?
Eric is going to be up first.
Yes, I knew that!
All right, Eric Wood. Eric, what are we driving here today? This is a Beretta LS swap, rear-wheel drive conversion. What did you enjoy the most about the show this weekend? The nice cold weather. It was amazing. It was very relaxing as the big fat raindrops start to fall. That's great timing. What are we planning on doing here in the Burnout contest? Get some video from my YouTube. Give it a design. All right, we'll get out there and have some fun, and the crowd will certainly want your feedback. I'm going to go around. You'll have your 2 minutes to do your thing.
I'm raining again. You're okay. I'm a sunshine one.
Yeah, put your stuff in the bag.
So those water barrels set up on some pallets, and he's just hung up on a pallet, I think. Regularly we have practice at this. It happened at our last show. Oh, and just like that, what about... Well, I'm going to make a round of applause for our second place finisher, Eric. Could have been worse.
So life comes at you fast, dumping the clutch in third gear. But looking back at the video, I can sort of piece together what I think happened. Those tires didn't have near as much grip as I expected, and when I looked at the date code on them, they're 13 years old. So that could have something to do with it. This thing always wants to get sideways. Kind of went sideways the opposite way I would have liked, which is why I tried to swing it around. And I would have thought it would have sort of drove out of there, but that ain't happening.
Daddy.
Dad, I'm sad after that. I'm sad after that.
You were sad after that?
Yeah.
That was pretty weak, huh? Did I get good smoke before I crashed? Was there a lot of smoke before I crashed?
Yeah. There's also smoke the second
That's
time.
good. Yeah. Second time I knew it was good. Your roller burnout was good. Yeah. Well,
Wavy. Does he get
I
his
got
high
the rear
five or
brakes
thumbs
locked
down?
out, so I can sort of left foot brake and stuff. It's a lot of fucking.
Does he get his high five or thumbs down?
Oh man.
I'll give
Does that
you
mean
a
I don't?
high five.
Does that mean I don't get snacks?
No.
You said I got no. All right. So that is not how I planned this to go. But I don't really see any issues here. Once it's clean, maybe I'll see something. But that is a benefit of having a car where the paint sucks, is it can't suck that much worse. Yeah, we'll see. All right, I think the moral of this story is that I need some seat time smoking tires before I do the Cletus burnout contest, because talent is lacking, so we need to improve that. So it is hot as all balls today. Let's have the fan stop working. Got it fixed now. This connection was unhappy. Must have got bumped or something. We were pulling this thing off the barrels. Oh, service engine soon too. That's good. Don't be gay, Beretta. Okay, I felt it move when I was taking it apart, but that's definitely the problem. Alright, I just realized too, this is the factory plug for the fan and not the connector that I wired. Cheap China junk. Yep, that's it. Nice. Cruising. Literally pulled into town and got stopped by the popo, but they were pretty cool. Okay, made it home. Now I'm going to wash it off and make sure I don't have any surprises as far as damage on this thing. I think it's all just Pennsylvania Turnpike grime that ends up on those water barrels. Yeah, we got some scrapage there. Yeah, a little bit of rash here. Nothing too crazy though. Not as pretty as it was. Friggin' last video I just showed how I got it looking good. But that's the plus side of having a beater, is it don't look too much worse now. So the bumper pushed in this far. I'm gonna have to see what I gotta do to move that all the way back. But it also looks like it pushed in way further than that. But I guess it does move quite a bit. I wonder if there's broken clips in the plastic part that sits on the top of there. I'm gonna check my Cletus tires though for the burnout contest coming up. Hopefully they got a little better grip. I would love to get some seat time, some practice actually doing that. Problem is most parking lots have cameras and stuff, and I can't exactly blame it on another white Beretta doing donuts probably. But yeah, between a little more grip hopefully and you know, maybe a little more talent, seat time, the next one will go a little better.